Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this layered bun. I really hope you find this helpful. So let's get started. To start, you want to brush your hair into a high ponytail. If your hair doesn't hold like mine, I would recommend adding in a volume powder or texture spray. This will just give a little bit more grip and make the bun more full. I will link below the one that I'm using. To create the bun, you want to divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections, then bring the right side over the left and pull the left strand through the centre. I will show you that again in slow motion. Holding on to both these sections, you want to bring them up and cross them over each other, wrapping them around each side of the bun, securing the ends with a clear elastic. Next, to make the bun bigger, you can pull on the sides of each section so you can see all the different layers to the bun. And I'm just lightly separating these with my fingers, and where I added the texture spray, it will just help to hold it in place. Once you're happy with the shape, you can then bobby pin the sides of the bun. Lastly, with the ends, you can either wrap these up into the bun to hide them, or if you want to leave them poking out like I have, I've just moved it over slightly to one side, and then I'm just going to bobby pin this in place. I'm just finishing off the look with some hairspray to smooth down any flyaways and to just help the bun to keep its shape a little bit more. So this is the final look. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.